So back in the car, I'm doing another taste testing this week. I'm doing the KFC, don't know what it is. I don't know whether it's a new wrap of the day that's just started or a new wrap altogether, but they're doing a different wrap every day. Today it's Bank Holiday Monday, the date's below. So the Monday and the Friday wrap is the same, so I only have to get this one once. So that's Kentucky behind me, just been in to get it. Here's the bag. And here's the wrap. The twister wrap. And this one's a SuperCharger. Clicked in at the top. Mayo. And these are the other ones you can get. So, it's a good excuse to get one. These are cheaper than the McDonald's wrap of the day. They're £1.99 at McDonald's. Here, the £1.98. So a saving of 1p. Right big. I'm at the Wakefield store on Westgate Retail Park. That's the receipt. Let's have a taste of this one and see what it's like. On my way to work, as you can tell. No chicken in that bite. The chicken's further down. It's going to take me a while to get there. That's nice. Put all the information here. It's going to be a nice week for me having one of these every day. Well, up till Friday, because this is Monday and Fridays. I'm also making some fun adverts for these, so I'll put a few of the adverts at the side. People trying them and saying that they've saved 4p. So it's mainly just chicken and coleslaw and mayonnaise. No, there's not really to not like about it. So these are all the other flavours that there is. And what I'll do is I'll just tag these on and make it one video and speed it up for a week, so you'll see all 4 different ones. Why I can't make 5 different ones, so it is one every day. No spillages yet on the shirt. So Mondays and Friday wrap is a thumbs up from me. So we'll go to Tuesdays. So back again, it's Tuesday, parked in a similar place. That's a drive-through. So today's wrap of the day is the SuperCharger. Come to the same store in Wakefield on the way to work. I'll try and go to a different store tomorrow. So the SuperCharger. Again, exact same box. All they do is they just do the tab. So today, SuperCharger. So I'm expecting it to be exactly the same. Again, looks exactly the same as last time. So I think it's just the sauce, although this one looks like it's thrown together and it's in a cold wrap. Try and cover myself up so I don't get any on me. So much for that. So if I cover up, everything falls on top of me. So I ain't come across anything that tastes different yet. So tonight is shift number 3 of 8. Still not come across anything tasting different from yesterday's. So we've still got sweet chili and Smokey BBQ to try. I think all the sauce has come right down to the bottom. I'm getting the SuperCharge part. So out of yesterday's Mayo and today's SuperCharger, today's the winning one so far. So see you tomorrow, or in a few seconds when I try Wednesday's wrap of the day. So back again, usual parking place. So it's midweek Wednesday, and today it's Smokey BBQ wrap of the day. I also got a drink with this one, so we're doing an offer where you get the drink and the smoky thing for £2.97. So I've got my Pepsi Max, no straw though. Usual thing, same box as all the other ones. Tab in for Smokey BBQ. I don't know I'm going to eat all this today because June made us all loads of burritos, so this one's got sauce everywhere already. So it's definitely a saucier one. Smokey BBQ. I'm going to try and open this one up so you got an idea. I don't know whether it's a bad idea in the car. So basically it's just all thrown together. Can't really see. I want to get it all over. And I've got to try and wrap it again now. Not really good burrito wrapper. Not burrito, wrapper. Alright, let's see what I think to this one. Barbecue. That one was just all wrap and coleslaw and sauce. I'll try and get some chicken in this next one. 2 bites in. This one's my favourite so far. Spin round, see what you could see, but not waste the time. So I thought £1.98 for a good snack. I like them. You can buy the wraps any day you want, but it's I think it's £3.99 just for the wrap alone, so it's better to buy it. Obviously you get a £2 and £2.02 reduction to get it for £1.98. So just got tomorrow to do, so it's a wrap of a day. Monday and Friday are the same one, so I don't need to do Friday again. So for you it'll be a couple of seconds, for me it'll be tomorrow. See you later, thanks for watching. So I'm here for my last day of wrap of the day. It's Thursday, date's down there. So today I've gone for a different Kentucky. Show you a little picture of it. It's one near the motorway. So same box, this time it's sweet chili. I'm expecting to like this. I do like sweet chili as a flavour. So as I said, wrap of the day, £1.98. We're in direct competition with McDonald's. This one looks better. All the other ones I had didn't look like they've been toasted, whereas this has been toasted. So you can taste the chili straight away. It does make a big difference, this being toasted or however they do it. I think all the ones I got from River Wakefield one were just wrapped straight out of the bag. This is definitely the best one of the week for taste and presentation. Definitely worth the £1.98. Seems packed more chicken this one as well. Should have come to this one all week. I ordered this one on the app and went round the drive-through, so I did have to wait a little while for it, but it's worth waiting if it's cooked right and done right. I definitely think there's more chicken in this than normal. Look at it, it's heaving. So much more than the other one. This is a franchise Kentucky, but it's owned by the same one who owns the one that I went to the last 3 days. Loads of chilli. It's all dripping out, probably all over me. It's quite a spicy, sweet chilli one as well. Definitely save the best till last. I'm even breaking out in a sweat on this one, but I think because I've got my coat on, I'm sat in car and it's sunny. So as I keep saying, you don't need to try one on Friday because it's the same as the one on Monday. Definitely worth £1.98, ideal as a snack. That one's getting spicier now, I need a drink before I start crying. So for my favourites, it's in reverse order. Sweet chilli, what I've just had now, that's the best one of them all for me, my recommendation. Smokey BBQ, which were yesterday's, next one down. And SuperCharger, and then boring Mayo, that's Monday and Friday as the last resort. Definitely pay £1.98. I wouldn't pay £3.99 for one because I'm from Yorkshire and I like a bargain. So I won't pay £3.99 knowing that if I wait for the day that it's out I can save £2 2p chilli sweats. So hopefully you've enjoyed that quick week of them, even though I'm sure it's about a 15-minute long video. If you did like it and you want me to do more like that, just let me know in the description, in comments below. I do believe that these were in direct competition with McDonald's because they do a wrap of a day, and theirs is £1.99, so that's why the Kentucky have put £1.98, so it's a penny cheaper. I've enjoyed doing them because I've been able to eat junk food for all week. So thanks for watching. Hope you're all having a good week or weekend. See you later.